You cannot detain me for what I am doing right here in a public place. And if you do, I will sue you because you are violating my civil right to film in public. He said he was. No. Are you detaining? No. I have it on film. Are you detaining me?
I was.
No. Oh, you were. Are you now?
Yes, you're detained right now.
He just says I wasn't.
You're not going along with my investigation right now.
You just said I wasn't.
I don't know what he saw that I did not see, but if he's detaining you, then he's detaining you for something.
So what we have are two different opinions. You just said he's not. He says he is.
Like I said, I just arrived here.
How can you detain me when you can't articulate what crime I've committed?
I have reasonable suspicion.
That's not a
that
detainment.
crime is afoot.
Afoot. That's not how it works.
That is how it works.
No,
All
it
I need is
wasn't. You're a tyrant. That's what you are.
Okay.
You're just a tyrant, officer. What's your name and badge number?
You see right there.
Is that what you tell the judge? You can see it right there. I have a vision impairment. What's your name and badge number?
My name's Officer Burton.